squares. Unless it makes me
Yeah,
ultra wide.
Prof here. We got the Gertrude. That's a Phyllis. And then there's the squares right there. And oh, there is a Gertrude. She's right there. She's sleeping. She's wondering what the heck's happening to her bed. And we got a couple things here. Ideally, you don't need to see my address. Here we've got a pair of white mice. Then Squares already took out what came from the Amazon here.
Yeah, sorry.
Cooler Master,
Surprise.
MM720, and the white MM720. And then yesterday came the 518 from the Best Buy.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, as you probably all well know, we already have 518s. But you know,
have the beaters.
those are Taiwanese ones. You gotta treat those well. You know. Now we got the US ones, and we can just treat those as poorly as we want. And then yes, that's another Rival 106 hiding back there. That one's gonna get Kale 2.0 switches in there. So yeah, come and check out. Stay tuned, because we're going to have a couple great new mice here, as well as a little surprise at the end. All right, which one are we doing first?
It's up to you, man.
Ooh, here's a kniff.
No. Yeah, I agree, Trude. Which one do you want to do?
I know what you want. You want the...
Yeah, I can do the backsies, too. We should probably just do these because they're already out, though. Where are you throwing these guys? Just
Let's put them over there for now. All right, yeah, we're doing the bed, guys, because well, there's a wee bit of a mess going on right now. There's a cat eating food.
Just a smidgen.
What happened is the bookshelf behind my door is no longer there. And I haven't built IKEA yet. You can crack open your...
Which one should we do first? Mine's pretty beat up, so yeah, let's get to the ghetto one. Oh god, this knife, I'm gonna probably cut myself. I'm not coordinated for the life of me.
It locks now. It's got the new fancy blades.
I don't want to put too much of the blade up, probably just chop into that cable. Yeah, like...
That's it. Okay, so for reference, this Rival 106 is a small box.
Yeah.
This MX518, I would say, is average, right? This MM720 box is like...
It's fucking dainty.
This little itty-bitty tiny guy.
Alright, there's your shot. You
Okay.
open it up, they just got a cable thrown in there.
It's pretty soft.
It's the same one as the 710.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, they do give you different feet, too. Nice, I see them right here. Right out of the box.
It's good because I didn't with the
Yeah.
previous one.
All right.
PTFE, is it white?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's PTFE then.
It's up there. Do we get the grips, though?
Does it come with grips?
The first, I think, ones were supposed to.
Part of a box that you chopped off, I think?
Yeah, no. It was pre-chopped.
Pre-chopped off?
Pre-chopped.
Oh, and Squares is pretty happy because his MM720 wasn't supposed to come today.
Grips! Yeah!
I see. You want to make your mouse heavier.
Yeah, because 50 grams to 50.2 is going to be...
What do we got here?
Mm.
Oh, the cable is multiple times heavier than the mouse. That is ridiculous.
You got a Zornet anywhere?
Do I have a Zornet anywhere?
Actually, do feel good. Yeah, those switches.
Here, guys. Do I have a Zornet anywhere? I wonder.
Yeah, that actually... Yeah,
This is the new box design that I've come up with, guys. So, white out on tape, and then Cooler Master's color is purple. So we went with purple tape. I think that makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So here's a Zornet 2 that I'm probably breaking.
Man. That shape, though.
Doing this one-handed is quite hard.
I could have just said, hey, put that thing down and stop being an idiot over here. You know what helped you?
Here you go.
Alright, put that there. Put this packaging back in here. Alright, comparison. It should be identical, you know?
Well,
It's just that finish, like... I don't know how to describe it.
I don't know. Do you
It's
want?
very like satin.
Well,
satiny
you
feeling.
gotta remember this is not actually based on the Zorn. It's based on the Spawn.
Yeah,
That's why it's got the gloss
I got
rim.
you, but they haven't made like a mouse since the Zornet 2.
Yeah, of that
You
shit.
know what I'm saying? Like,
Well, that's one thing I wanted to clarify. Put that one on the left here, and we'll pop. This is the one that
oh yeah. Oh.
here. The not master set.
That's the Master Mouse, yeah.
Here, the Master Mouse 520. This is the one that Rocket Jump Ninja was saying is the same as the right here, our MM720. If you notice, it is not. This guy
I guess that was the replacement for.
never was a replacement. This is the Palm version of this shape.
I call it the Palm version.
You know what I mean, though, like the bigger, longer version. Realistically, this ReSpawn, or now MM720, they were originally calling it ReSpawn. But so many things this year are called ReSpawn that, yeah, they decided not to go with that, rightfully so. But otherwise, it's very similar. The Zornet and Spawn have the exact same
You
shape.
gonna crack open your glossy then, or you?
Yeah, we can crack it open.
You want me to crack it?
Yeah.
Or you want to do the honors?
Oh, you can crack her open.
All right, let's move that guy out of there. That's like, I don't know. That you feel that finish?
It's scary light.
I mean, it's scary light, but like,
It's kind of slippery. It's like a satin almost.
yeah, exactly.
This is a better finish, if you ask me.
The PBT.
Yeah, the PBT, rough
That
PBT.
they have for it.
Yeah.
I don't know That's you're just gonna sweat all over, and it's just gonna.
This?
No, this one.
Yeah.
And then eventually, it's just gonna get real nice and grippy.
Or I'll just melt all the plastic off.
Yeah, nasty. Yeah. Well, that's why you got the glossy one.
Yeah, exactly.
You get acid sweat or whatever. You're like a xenomorph, apparently.
Hey, I never had issues with the original Spawn, so.
It's because it had rubber side grips.
See? Problem solved. Rubber side grips are heavy, though. You know?
I mean, I guess, yeah.
Also, for reference, guys, the original Spawn over here, realistically only usable at 800 DPI. After, like, 15 firmware updates. Its native
You
sensor.
had to use certain ones that were there for it, too.
Well, Spawn was only 800. Like, you could only use the 800 DPI if you wanted it 1-to-1.
Ah, if you want to actually game on it,
Yeah.
eventually, and be somewhat accurate.
Yeah.
Okay. Basically the same thing. It's white.
Ooh, white.
I could have got the matte white one. I went with that, but, you know.
On launch.
Beggars can't be choosers.
On launch, what was it? Only glossy white and matte black?
I think that Amazon got, yeah. Let me get the mouse up. There we go. Oh, there's your grips, apparently. And you got feet right in there, too.
Okay, cool, cool. That box is still tiny, but I guess the mouse is...
It's right there. Ooh, look at that shiny gloss.
That feels much better to me. Put your hand on that.
Like, I don't know, man. It feels like a bar of soap to me. Those switches, though, like...
Feels grippy to me.
For optical?
Yeah, that
does not
I mean,
really...
I guess that's why I'm happy that Cooler Master does do both, you know?
Definitely doesn't feel like razors. You know what I'm saying? It almost feels like almost feels like an arm run.
It's more hollow.
Yeah. I mean, it is kind of hollow. It's definitely going to sound different compared to those, because those are... Yeah.
It's less clicky than a 4.0 as well. 4.0s are like...
Yeah, ka-chunk.
I actually think... Put your hand on this. I think the Zornet 2 feels better.
What?
Yeah. Maybe not weight. I'm saying shape-wise.
I think you're...
I'm high?
I think, yeah, I think you've been drinking is what I think.
I think the Zornet 2 feels damn nice in the hand.
See, I don't know. It's just the weird rubber that they use on the sides there.
It's not as bad as that honeycomb rubber that ate into your finger.
It just feels tiny. It doesn't have like...
Scroll wheel is not as ka-chunky.
It's because it's an optical encoder.
Zornet 2's is like...
Yeah.
But yeah, I can definitely rock this. If you guys are a claw gripper, you know, like...
Or if you just have baby hands.
Or if you have baby hands and you want
Yeah.
Paul.
Yeah.
Want a palm?
It, kinda, yeah.
Somebody I knew,
Awesome.
a girl from Malaysia actually, that she palmed one of these. She used the Zornet, original Zornet, and that's like the only mouse she ever found that comfortably she could palm. So she whooped my ass in League and other MOBAs because, you know.
MOBAs, man.
Yeah. There's a Gertrude. Gertrude.
She's sleepy.
Yeah.
It's her 15 minutes of fame.
She deserves a pet, right, guys? All right. Well, if you guys want to see the whole lineup here, you want to open that cap?
Sure. This is the OG one.
OG Spawn. In
the original.
In
And
the
then
classic red.
My
Sorry for drunk. I'm not doing the best camera work here, guys.
Pro Track gaming mouse. Oh, man. And the Zornet. The whole family, really. Oh, uh-oh. Just launching things down. I see what it is.
Yeah. So we got Zornet, which is basically a cheaper version of the Spawn in the OG-ness, because Spawn's got rubber grips.
Rubber grips?
Oh, yeah. A rubberized shell.
Yeah, that's just textured plastic.
And if I recall, the scroll wheel encoder is better on the Spawn.
Yeah, it's probably an ounce.
Switches are better. Though, like, this is like a rubberized button.
Yeah.
And this is like a hard plastic.
Yeah.
So,
don't worry about the feed, man. Okay.
No,
I just need some.
Yeah, and Zornet
grip.
was good. Spawn, you could get if you got the latest firmware, 800 DPI, one of the earliest one-to-one tracking sensors. That was out
3090.
So.
Back when, I think that was one of the first.
And it's got one of the custom lenses though. That's part of the issues if I recall. But yeah, and they kept updating it, and these were cheap. Like I want to say sub $30.
No.
Often with rebate, yeah.
Not initially, because I bought that thing for sub $30.
So
that thing I think was like 45 at the time.
I think I might have gotten for 15 after rebate. And then we have the Zornet 2, which was an amazing. I was telling Cooler Master on Twitter that I feel like this mouse came out before its time because put out the Zornet 2 today, and I feel like people would be all over it.
Probably.
And then thus we have our MM720 here, codenamed ReSpawn, which same shape as your your Zornet Spawn and Zornet 2. Now, like I said, to clarify, Rocket Jump Ninja said that the 720 was like the follow-up to the 520. Not true at all. 520 is far closer to like an Akari laser or like a smaller, what's that, Naus? Yeah. The Naus. It's the same shape. This goes back to, I want to say like 2010 to 2012 over on GeekHack. A lot of us there wanted a palm version of, because a lot of people who are small ones can palm this, and we're like, what if you made a palm, like a normal human-sized palm mouse of that same shape? And that's where this comes from.
I don't know, it just doesn't feel as comfy. Man.
No, it's not. It's really wide. Like, it's even wider. And this is already a very wide mouse. So, yeah, let me put these on the little...
Just strange.
Yeah, we're using the Rival 106 as a stand here. But here's a look around the glossy MM720. Like I said, if you're a fingertip or especially claw grip, I suggest you give one of these a shot. They're not that they're like $50. It could be more expensive, I guess. Very lightweight.
The more tech that they put in those, though.
Oh, isn't it? It's optical clicks for the main clicks.
And optical encoder.
And optical encoder for the wheel.
Yeah.
It's lighter. Like this cable right here is like way heavier than the mouse. Like it's ridiculous. Like you pick up the mouse, and if you have the cable on there, it's like, ugh, ugh. Here's a look at the matte black, at least on launch. I believe it was just matte black and glossy white. So
Depending upon where you ordered it from.
I didn't see it anywhere. I think the pre-order was only Amazon, at least in the US.
I mean, if you got it through, I bet you if you got it through Cooler Master directly, you might have been able to choose.
They even linked Amazon as pre-order.
Jesus.
So I don't know if...
Maybe they just sold out.
Yeah, but there you guys go. Being an optical encoder on the scroll wheel, it's not as chunky as like your Zornet 2 or your MM520.
Well, to clarify, apparently it's a standard, it looks like a standard mechanical encoder.
Yeah.
But the sensing in the middle is optical.
That's pretty good.
It's Juanos. It's green Juanos. For side buttons and for the click. It's
okay.
A full-size Juano green.
Well, guys, hope you enjoyed that. Stick around. We're going to have a quick video on the new Vaxi Zygon. I don't even know how you say that. The not Zoe mice. That's what I'm just going to refer to them as.
Not Zoe.
Yeah.
Zoe mice.
And, you know, we might have another thing you can check out. You know, like right here for you Halo nerds like me. See you soon.